Yeah, hi there everyone, Ashmita on this side. Here we are going to solve a question from philosophy paper, the second paper or from the entrance exam of New Souls College, Fellowship College, and we are going to discuss the answer over here. And if you want to discuss such answers like this, then you can join our classes. At Solve classes, we provide you with study materials, with live sessions, with recorded sessions, portal access, which is available to all the enrolled candidates 24/7. We also provide you with mock test facilities and also doubt clearing sessions and also certain like discussions which can help you to score well in your examinations. So yeah, let's come back to the question. Now, if you want to join our classes, do check the description box below. You will get all the details. Coming to what are manipulated agents. Now, the question says, what makes manipulated agents unfree? Now, manipulated agents are considered unfree when their actions and their decisions are controlled, or they are influenced in certain ways that go against the autonomy and against the free will. So several factors can make manipulated agents unfree. What are those? That is what we are going to discuss now. The first thing that would be considered is coercion. That is, when individuals are forced or threatened into taking up certain actions or making specific decisions against their will, they are not acting freely, of course. So, coercion removes their ability to make choices independently. Second would be deception. Now, manipulation through deception involves providing false or certain misleading information to lead individuals into making choices that they wouldn't make if they had accurate information. So, in such cases, like their decisions are not genuinely free. Okay. Third problem would be exploitation. Now, if individuals are taken advantage of or their vulnerabilities are exploited to manipulate their decisions, they are not exercising their free will. Next problem would be limited options. Now, when individuals are presented with a limited set of options, each of which is controlled or influenced by the others, their freedom to make the choices is constrained. Next problem is psychological manipulation. So techniques like gaslighting or emotional manipulation can manipulate an individual's thoughts, feelings, and also beliefs to that extent or to that point where they make decisions that are not truly their own and they are not truly reflective of their own desires or preferences. The next problem is social pressure. Now, conforming to the societal norms or like peer pressure can definitely lead to decisions that aren't aligned with an individual's true desires, making them less free in their choices. Next problem can be like information control and all, okay, like restricting access to information or controlling the narrative can manipulate the individuals into making decisions that they might not make if they had access to all these unbiased information. So, like in essence, we can say that manipulated agents are unfree when external factors or influences compromise their capacity to make the choices and decisions that genuinely reflect their own values, the desires, and also the interests. So yeah, that's it for today's class. So if you want to discuss such questions with me in live sessions, and if you want to have interactive sessions, then or if suppose if you want study materials, then you can contact us. All the details are given in the description box below. Do have a look at it. Thank you for being with me till the end of the class, and thank you for watching. Let's meet again in the next class.